Hey, it's Kat here, and today we are going to be making a name sign for a nursery or kids room. Perfect for a gift or for your little one's room. So we will need some 3mm aluminium wire, some 5mm braided cord, some twine or jute, scissors, pliers with some wire cutters, and a glue gun. I'll link them all below, and a template if you want to use it, which I would strongly recommend because it will come out so much better. I got this off of Canva, but you can use any font that you like, just make sure it's kind of joined up. So here we go. Take our cord, and you will notice that inside there is some stuff, which is just like stuffing that you need to pull out. Pull the stuffing out of the cord, and that will make sure that your wire will fit inside. Now, how long you have this cord will depend on obviously the length of your name, but if you would like, you put it on the name and see if it fits on there. I'm going to do the sign slightly bigger than this name because the name is very small on the page, but I'm going to use it as a guide. So we'll kind of bunch up like that, and then you want to just pull it out so it's nice and hollow. Then we're going to take our wire, and you want to roll it out, if it's on a roll, by about 1 meter or so. So I put this end on the floor, otherwise it will just move around and poke you in the eye. Thread, thread, thread away. Carry on until you have a couple of meters on there, depending on how long your name is. But if you've measured out the name, then you just go with how much cord that you have. When you're doing this, a little tip is to just hold your cord as straight as you can. So you kind of like put a finger underneath it or put some of your hand underneath it, and then it should easily thread on. All right, now you will either come to the end of your cord, or if it's longer, you are going to cut the cord. So that's where the wire finishes. You're going to cut it just beyond where the wire finishes. There we go. And then you can see, hello, there is your wire. And I'm going to take my glue gun and dab a tiny bit of glue on the end of the wire. Then I'm going to quickly close that up like that, being careful not to touch the glue. And when you're happy with that, then you can kind of do another little trim that will neaten that up. You need sharp scissors, which, yeah. Use this as a guide to shape the word. Okay, so this is actually really small. This is only like 20 centimeters long, but I'm going to use it because that is exactly the shape that I want. So you can use your pliers here, or you can just use your fingers to guide it round. And because it's aluminium wire, it's quite forgiving and it's quite easy to mold. So you see, I'm not actually following it to the T. You can, but it's totally up to you. This is a more arty font, so I'm really looking forward to how it turns out. And if you think too much about it, just don't, because if you think too much about it, you will not like it, because you'll be overthinking it. No one likes overthinking, do they? So just follow the shape. You see that O is a little bit further round. I guarantee you will do the word bigger than the letters anyway. If you see your wire kind of like showing, just take the cord and kind of like push it up a bit and over, so it's really not showing at all. This I'm having trouble with because this looks a bit like a bunny ear or something, I don't know. But don't dwell on it. Don't dwell on it. It's okay. I am just going to cut it where the end of the word is. So it goes down like that and out. Just chop that. And then you can chop it all off, or I just use some scissors for it to be nice and clean. You can get rid of your excess wire now. Hurrah. We're just going to tidy up the word. And that still looks like an A to me. So I'm just going to move that around. Now it looks like the O is below, and I've just noticed the S is not. It should be a little bit more turned. Fiddle! That's better. Now, I don't know. The O is okay. Just open the S up a bit more so it kind of matches the H. I think that's good. When you've done that, you're going to do the same thing at the end that you did at the beginning. Close the sheath. Just cut that a little bit off. Now you're ready to add your twine. Do not make this too long. Just going to attach it to the kind of furthest point. In this particular name, we're going to add the first piece of twine to the top of the S. Then the other furthest point is going to be on this bit of the A, see? Now there are some fonts where you can kind of put a little loop here, so that will be the furthest point, but on this one, this is going to be the furthest point, or the highest point I should say at the end. Oh my god, so pretty. For me, that is even too long. You need it like, that's better. Almost like you're hanging a picture, so you don't want it too baggy. There we go. So that will be done, and amazing. And there we go. Pretty name sign for a kids' room or nursery, and it's really, really quick and easy to do. If you've got a font, then it's even better. Let me know in the comments if you do your own, what name you would do. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe. I bring out new videos all the time. I would love to have you as part of the community. If you got value from this video, then I have another name video that you might like, and I'll pop that here. I'll see you there.